Well, all the good farmers have their corn canopied, and the beans are 6 to 8 inches high, and corn sprayed the first time the equipment's put away dry. So if your beans aren't that high and corn ain't canopied and your equipment's out in the rain, you need to find another hobby. Okay, this is an Amish style weed eater. Overflow.
We get with the sickle mower around the very edge of the pond what the mower conditioner can't get. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to grill out down here tomorrow, and we're going to do some fishing. So we're just getting the edge of the pond trimmed up so we don't have to walk through the weeds. So this is our sickle mower.
This is an Amish style weed eater. We got a couple inches of rain pretty fast here, and this, I don't know if Abby's going to get the video up, but that was all baled 2 days ago, and there was bales of hay right in there a couple days ago. Now it's a river, so I don't think we're losing any soil. That's the overflow of the pond there. You don't want to ever let it start cutting. That's coming out of the hills up there. Overflow. You see why we have riprap there now. Trying to spread it out and slow it down enough that it doesn't cause a mess. Take soil with it. There it is, right there. It's coming over the top of the dam a little bit. Yeah. It's actually just barely eking over the top of the dam. The spillway's not quite cut low enough. Well, that ditch is full of water, and that water in that field can't get down there. These are some real good neighbors here. That's their sweet corn patch. And it's, I should say, sweet corn pond. And there's a little stream, not so little. And here's how, see, that water's supposed to be in that ditch, but it's coming down the side of the road. And a steady little stream coming across there of running water. So we have to go slow through here. You don't want to go fast through here. So a lot of water, a lot of rain. Yeah, the water's going over the dam here. You can see this isn't real great. It's running water over the top of the dam. So that's not at all good. This is the top of the dam here. It's just level. The whole pond is just level. If it started cutting, we'd have a disaster. So not good. Might have to, it's all the way out here. That's running water right there. There's water coming right here. Easing over. See?
Is that what it's supposed to be doing?
All that's covered.
Well, that's not bad.
So pretty wet. We'll go out here and look at the spillway. No, we'll fix this. So we ended up getting about 8 inches of rain, but all in all, not too bad. It came over about 4 days. I don't know, we had about 3.5 inches today, but this time of year it wasn't too bad because corn's canopied. Well, all the good farmers have their corn canopied and the beans are 6 to 8 inches high, and corn sprayed the first time the equipment's put away dry. So if your beans aren't that high and corn ain't canopied and your equipment's out in the rain, you need to find another hobby. So all in all, things went pretty well. To be getting that much rain, 8 inches of rain, we tolerated it pretty well.
Y'all come back now. Cheers.